Who do you guys think is going to win the Super Bowl?
I'm not a betting man.
Who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl?
The Green Bay Packers.
Yep. You heard it here. Who do you think will win the World Series?
I'm gonna go with the Packers.
Me too. Me too. Thank you.
Of all the years, Ray, it's been baseball.
There's no crying. There's no crying in baseball.
Who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl?
Well, I'm cheering for the Chiefs or the Miami Dolphins.